So we are design consultants, and Smthng is our brand, and we believe in making everyday products, which we call Smthings, and bags are the first few ranges of our products. So Smthng bags are trying to redefine the way people pack and carry. So firstly, we do not want to take away people from their comfort zone. So by giving basic compartments, basic straps, but then giving something more. So we focused on packing differently. So Smthng bags open up new possibilities of every person packing in their own way. So what used to happen is we used to travel a lot for meetings and interviews or maybe proposals to other companies. So there used to be 2-day, 1-day trips where we ended up carrying a large bag in addition to our laptop bags, simply because our clothes wouldn't stay as they are. Even after that, try packing one shirt in a trolley. It's like a washing machine. So what happens is we wanted to have one bag which does it all. So my work bag should transform into my travel bag for a 1-day, 2-day trip. So that's how Smthng took birth. And we took inspiration from gift wrapping. You know, you can gift wrap anything with a sheet of paper, no matter what the shape is. So we designed flaps which wrap around your stuff and create a bag for yourself.